Okay, we're going to make a online radio, from vb6. So first we're going to start by open up Internet Explorer, or I use Firefox. Okay, so if you know any online radio stations that you would like to add, type in the URL or Google for a good radio that you like. But I'm going to steal some radio stations from, I think it's Live 360 www dot live 360.com. Alrighty, I'm at the home page. And for instance, I'm going to select metal. It's going to take me to a list of music. It's going to take me to Metal Shop. Click anywhere. If it's going to do like fucking Live 360 will, ask you if you'd like to download a file. Okay, when it asks you to download a file, go ahead and click Save to your desktop. Save it. Okay. Now it's going to might be in an unknown format. Okay, when you open it, it asks you to open it with another program or something. Would you like to open it? Hit yes and open it up with a text file. Just a regular text document. And then it will bring up big thing of gibberish. This gibberish is telling me it's a URL and all that. Like right here. But there's a URL for the actual media. So let's close that out. Throw this in the text file. Okay, and that is the URL for Metal Shop. Copy, Metal Shop. Okay, next we're going to find another one. This Gamers Radio GR1 will be okay. It's going to bring it up. It's going to ask me to save a file. I don't know if any radio stations that will. Now some you might need to read HTML for the media player and so on and so on. But this one here I don't. That's the reason I choose to do this here, because I ain't learning HTML. I'm learning how to make a fucking radio. So let's go ahead and save it. There it went. Clean up, exit. Okay, same thing. Open up in a text file format. Copy the actual URL. There we go. Copy the URL. Throw it in a text file. And what was the name of that? GT1 Gamers Radio. Alrighty, let me see here. Paste. Okay, now we're gonna, since we got our radio stations, or radio, whatever you want to call it, URLs, whatever. Go ahead and open up your actual Visual Basic 6.0. Do a standard exe. Go to Project, Components. In Components, you're going to hunt for Windows Media Player. Or if you got another player that you like to play it, go ahead and select it. It'll be the same thing, the same line of code. Hopefully it will, but yeah, I'm using Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player, apply, close, throw my Windows Media Player up there. Let's shrink this a little bit. There we go. I'm going to throw a combo box on here. Combo box. Double click your combo box. And we don't want it on change. Click up here at the little drop down menu, the combo box on top of your coding box, and go just drop down right underneath change. It's just like click, click, click. It's going to throw another line, a private sub on your form or your code. Now erase to change. Okay. Now since we got that done, let's go over to properties. Inside your properties, boom, 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 you're going to notice I'm going to go ahead at the very top. It's going to say name combo box 1. I'm going to change it to play 1. Okay. On Windows Media Player, I'm going to rename it as well, as in play player. Okay. Let's bring this back over here. Now, inside of this here, we're going to drop down, click on your combo box, go all the way down in your properties window. I'll move it over where you can see your properties window here, and you're going to see list. Okay, mine is called, what was it called? Metal Shop. Okay, Metal Shop. The next one was called Gamers Radio GR1. Next, Gamers Radio GR1. Okay, double click on your box, your combo box. Oh hell, I gotta put that back to click. Alrighty. Damn it, stay. Click. Okay, Windows Media Player. Okay, my combo box is named Play. Okay, so it'll be if play PLAY 1 play 1 dot text equals marks quotation. You see here, Metal Shop. Metal Shop quote. Now then you type in then, THEN, then. I'll make sure you can see this. Then be player. I got name player, don't I? Player. Okay. Dot URL. Okay. Space equals quote. This here's where you be putting your URL at. So, for instance, at the top, you see that big long URL just pasting this copy pad. That there's what goes there. The URL goes in between the actual quotations. Paste. Okay. Now, since that's done, you're going to type in, when you get done pasting that between the quotations, you're going to type in end if. And then let's do the same line of code again. If play, let me see, is it play? Yeah, play 1 dot text space equals space quote. Then let me see here. Let's go over here and get the name of the actual radio station. Copy. Paste. Then player dot URL equals quote. Let's go grab the URL for that station. There we go. I'm gonna go right here. Okay, and then be end if. Now, since we did that, all we have to do is hit play. Since we hit play, do a little drop down menu, select the station you want, and voila, down. There it goes. It's connecting, buffing, it's playing. So fucking A. There you go. That's how you make a fucking online radio using vb6.0. And blah. Have fun and keep it real. I'm the type of person, I believe in open source. So let's keep everything open and give credit where it's due. So peace. Be good.